Hi guys, sorry for the angle, but it is what it is. I got no stand. So today we're opening something special. Polly Pocket Space Station, well, space themed Polly Pocket, which I really love. I had a lot of Polly Pockets when I was little, so this is like this is the UPC. And there is 3 more sets here. I don't know if you can see. There is like sheep, teddy, and cat melting, I guess. Cat scream. They're here. But anyway, let's open it and see where we at. Sorry, I'm gonna try to tilt you so you can see. Okay. There is some tape here. Okay, that was easy. And there you get some instructions how to put it together, which I'll probably need, so I'll put it on the side. And let's see. Okay, first we get the one part which has a flag. Okay, let's open everything first. Oh, this is nice. We could save this. Nice for some dioramas or something. Right. So we have a little rocket that you can put. Is it opening? Yes. So you can put Polly inside, and you can strap her for this little thingy. Oh god, these small things. Let's just get the... Okay, we got the big thing out. So the outer part has this little thingy. It goes from here. You can lock it. And store. Okay, this is for the... Oh, this is cool. Look at this. Wait, is it focused? Look. So cool. It's so trippy. I really like this set. Let me just put it together. Let's see how hard it is. Sorry. Sorry if you can't see, but this is hard. Okay. We put it together. So when you close it, this is what you have. I'll put it here now. And now let's see about the accessories, which there's a lot. I'm gonna take out one by one. Oh my god. Okay, we get this little, like a crystal, I guess. This is hard to get these little things out. That's, I guess, another crystal. We'll see. Well, we have the thing, so we'll see where everything goes. We got this little chair that's translucent. See? Then we got we got a little planet with a hole. It goes somewhere, I guess. And we got another one only in, oh god, this is not for big fingers. Another one in purple. And then we got, why is there so many tape? Okay, we got Polly, and she has movable arms, movable legs, she can sit, she can turn her hips. Oh, she's got rubber hair. She's really cute. Can you see her? She really is a cutie. Come on, focus, focus. Okay. Well, anyway, that's Polly. Let's put her there. Sorry. That's what happens when you got no freaking stand. Well, I don't even know where it is. Then we got, what is this? Oh, okay. It's a little stereo. I don't know if you can see. You can't probably. I'll just put it here. So we got a little thingy to watch stars. We got a tiny little doggy, which kind of, I don't know, does it fit into space theme? Sorry about, well, not even gonna bother with focusing. And the last thing is, I guess, Polly's helmet. Does it go on her head? Nope. I guess it's not Polly's helmet. I guess it's a dog's helmet. Let's see. Yes, so the dog. Why doesn't it wanna? Okay, here it is. So the dog gets a helmet. Okay, fine. Now let's see what's what. I'm gonna tilt you so we can see what we're doing. Okay. So let's put all the things aside. Let's open the pollypocket. Oh. And see what's what. Okay. First we get a flag. What do we have to put here? Let me just check it out. I don't have a clue. So let's go with the lower part. So we open this. We got a little bed here. And little stairs, little garden. Let me just see where everything goes. The stars probably go. Is there any pegs here? Okay, the rocket is going here. That's for sure. Wait. So the rocket is going here, and then you can get it up and down with ball inside. This is cool. That's cool. Then what do we have? We have a little stereo. I don't know where everything goes. Let me see the picture. Sorry. Oh, okay, it's here. Okay, so okay, we got that. What is this? Why is it here? So this, the stereo, is supposed to go here. I don't know why. Is it a stereo at all? I don't know. We just try to put it in the hole. Okay, that little yellow thing goes here. So I don't know. That's how it's shown. Polly goes here. Okay. She goes here. Come on, Polly. Come on. Come on, at least you're thin. Okay, she's supposed to be here somehow. I don't know how, because, okay, so it's locking. Okay, so she is up there. Let me just move you a little bit further. She is up there. Okay. And then on the lower part, what do we have? Ooh, we got a purple. No. Okay, we got that. Let me just show you. Okay. So this, when you push this, we got a flag. How do we, what do we put in? Wait. This is harder than I thought. Okay, one of this. Now, where's the chair? Oh, the chair is going here. Yes, the chair goes here. Where is the hole? Okay, the chair goes here. Okay, so the chair went here. This is the thing that you open. Where is there a bed? And when you click this, okay, then where the diamond goes, I don't have a clue. But the dog, okay, the dog, where is this going? Okay, this goes here. I guess, yes, here. The doggy with a head thingy goes here. Okay, the doggy is here. Then we got two of the jams. Okay, the green one goes here. I don't know, does it really matter, but still, I'm doing it as it's shown. Where does this go? Where does this thing go? I'm looking. Okay, it goes in the middle. Okay, it goes here. Oh God, this is so tiny. Okay, it goes here. Where is the hole? Where is the hole? Wait, where is the hole? Okay, it's here. So it goes here behind the flag. And these two little thingies, I'm gonna put you down again. Wait. This little thingies, I'm gonna remove this, that's falling. These two little thingies that are planets are going here. And So let me just take you. Okay, so this is the telescope. It goes here. Oh God, it doesn't want to stand. I'm gonna put it like this. Sorry, just a hair. So actually this is like this, okay? This is the chair. This is the jam. That's like a table, I guess. This, I guess, is some kind of... Just turn... No, you can't turn it. This is like some kind of maybe device. I'm not sure. That's the doggy. That's the home, I guess. You go up to the little bed. And then when you're in space, Polly is in the rocket. And how does the rocket... Okay, the rocket goes like that. How do you stop it? Okay. I don't have a clue. But never mind. She's on the rocket. So yeah, okay. This is like... Let's just put it like this. And then you got this thing, which I really love. And I don't know why, but is it radio or is it like a utility kit? I don't know. But it's very cute. Let's put Polly, wait, let's put Polly sorry guys, in the rocket. Oh God, I need a stand. Let's put Polly in the rocket, wait. Okay, that's cool. So she can just chill. Okay, so she can just chill in the rocket. See her head? And then when we're closing it, we just leave everything as it is. We put the flag down. We put the bed down. And can we close it? Let's see. Can we close it? Is it something is stuck? Wait. What is... Oh, maybe it's the rocket. Yes, maybe it needs to be low. I guess. Let's see now. Wait, I'm gonna put you down now. Just a minute. So, something is still... I think it's the chair. So let's put the chair like this. Let's see now. Still no? Okay. Oh, the rocket fell. Yikes. But it should be closed with a rocket on. So, yep. Let me see what is a bothering thingy. Let's see, maybe if we put chair inside. No. What could we put inside? Let's put the dog. Let's put the dog in the house. And let's put the thing in the house. Where is the dog? Oh, the dog fell out. Okay. The flag, the chair. Let's see now. Okay. we can close it. So, guys, this was hard, and this is how it's supposed to look, and this really helped. These are all free that you can buy. It's 2025. Oh god. And you got a pollypocket little embroidery, and it's so small. I really love it. This gimmick is nice, but it's not necessary. But it's so tiny. Look, I love it. So yeah, let's say bye bye to Polly and talk to you later, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye.